Hey, this is Debbie, and I got a question. This is number 8 on the 3.4/3.5 homework. So remember, when we are working on algebra, we always kind of focus in on the variable. In this case, our variable is z, and it wants to be by itself. So the question is, how do we get it by itself? Remembering that algebra is all about opposites, we see what's attached to this variable, and the furthest guy away is this 0.67. The opposite of plus 0.67 is minus 0.67. So that's what I'm going to do there. And notice when I do that, this goes away. On the left side of the equation, what's left is negative 0.5z. And let's see, if I subtract this, I get a 5 and a 2 and a 0. So I get this, negative 0.5z equals 0.025. And what I meant to also mention at the beginning of this is notice on the equation, there is all these leading zeros. You don't have to keep those. 0.67 is the same thing as 0.67, so I don't really need that. So now what I'm going to do is look at what I have. I subtracted 0.67 from both sides of the equation. Now what I'm going to do is divide both sides, because what's attached to the z now? Negative 0.5 times z. So let's do that. I'm going to divide both sides by negative 0.5 and negative 0.5. Fortunately for me, I have a calculator right by. Actually, I don't really need the calculator because dividing by a half is the same thing as multiplying by 2. So I'll get 0.05, but don't forget about that negative. It's really important. Okay. Thank you very much.